Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can add proper cookie consent to your vibe coded website. Now you can use different tools like V0 or Lovable, or you can use Claude Code to vibe code a website. And if you build a website with Claude Code and it's live right now, there's a good chance that it's not legally compliant. So if your site uses something like Google Fonts or some third-party scripts, or it uses analytics, your site would need a consent banner, for example, for users in the EU, and Claude Code doesn't really add this for you automatically. So I'm going to be using a tool called Cookiebot to do that for us. It's a cookie consent platform and it's very easy to use. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. But guys, before we get started with today's video, I'd love to invite you guys to my Discord community, where a bunch of different startup founders, designers, developers from all around the world, and we get together every single weekday to talk about different tools, different topics, different challenges. So if you guys are interested in joining, link is down in the description below. So you may not know it, but your site might drop cookies on your visitors. So whether that be via Google Fonts, usually that's kind of like the main thing. So especially when you're vibe coding your website with something like Claude Code, it automatically picks the Google fonts because they're just open source and there's a big variety of them. You also have, for example, like analytics. So Google Analytics, for example, that you can eventually add to your site, or different tracking pixels. The list of privacy laws keep on growing. So for example, in the EU, there is the GDPR. I have experience with that. I lived in Germany for several years. And every time we had to build a website, whether it be with Framer or Shopify, we had to have this in place. Whenever we used Google Fonts, we had to specifically, mention that in our cookie banner. Also in regions like California, that you have CCPA and so on and so forth. And so if you are in one of these regions of the world, you have the ambition and the dreams to build something, and now with AI, you can easily do that. You can easily code things much quicker than you had than before. You tend to skip adding a cookie banner to your website because AI doesn't really think about it, and neither do you, honestly. So a solution that I use for this is Cookiebot. You add one script to your site and you have your cookie banner basically, and it automatically scans and finds every cookie tracker in your website. So it does that hard work for you. And something pretty big also for those of you that are living in these regions that it's required to have this is that it stays up to date with laws. So you don't have to regularly update it. It does it for you. And what's great is that the pricing is very good. So you can have like a free tier, and these are more for smaller sites, so with up to 50 sub pages. But then there are obviously some premium features where you can customize the banner to your own branding, or you can customize the user experience. But still, you can start for free and it's great. So in order to start, you just head to cookiebot.com, and I have the link down in the description below, and you can click over here on start for free. And once you're in, you're going to be in the dashboard, and basically you have different options. So over here, you want to click on domains and aliases. And this is where you can add a domain. So you click on add domain. Then you have the configuration over here where you can customize your cookie banner. And over here, we have different templates based on the different legislation presets. So for example, GDPR, which I believe is the most famous one. So for example, I can choose Germany, choose GDPR, click on next, and then we can choose if we want like this dialogue or we just want the bar on the bottom. We can adjust the transition, adjust the position, adjust the design to make it light mode or dark mode. You can change the language to German, for example, adjust the context down here. Then you can click on save changes and they can automatically publish to your domain. And over here in implementation, you can click on this. And this is where you can embed your Cookiebot script. So for example, I can copy this to my clipboard, and then I can open my project in Cursor and paste in this embed script and say like embed this Cookiebot script to my site, click on submit. And actually the best way to do it is just by asking the AI to add the script to the head of my site on every page. It needs to load before any other third-party scripts. That's like the best way to do it. All right, so now that's added, but we don't really see that in our local host. We have to, deploy our project in order to see it. So I'm just gonna write, let's deploy our project to Vercel. And so now we have a custom domain, granola prototype.vercel.app. So I can copy this URL, and then we go back to our domains and we want to add that first domain, which just paste that in here. Scan, let's do monthly. You can do daily, but it's going to be an extra cost. Click on add domain. And so for the first couple of minutes after doing this, you might not see the banner And that's because Cookiebot is basically scanning your site. And over here in your domains, you can click on your domain and then you can view a little bit more about what it's tracking. So for example, cookies and tracker, manage cookies and trackers. You can see the different trackers that it's using. You can also download a CSV file of the different subpages that it's scanned. And you can also download the user consent log. And in the implementation, apart from auto blocking, you can also choose manual blocking, and you can copy this and send that to Claude Code. And then once our site loads, we have our cookie banner at the bottom. So this website uses cookies. So you can click on OK or do not sell or share my personal information. And if we go back to my configuration, my banner is using this Florida region. So I can see it because I'm in Florida. And in this browser, for example, I'm not in Florida. I'm like in another region. So whenever you choose one of these presets, it only shows to users in these specific regions. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. It's very, very easy to set up. You just get a script, you write it in one prompt. The website that you build using Claude Code now has the foundations for a compliance setup. So those of you building something and you need this compliancy, go ahead and try out Cookiebot. And yeah, guys, hope you found this video pretty helpful. And let me know down in the comments if you have any other questions. Thank you guys so much, as always, for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.